Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, another area dito sa Bali, Indonesia guys. So we are heading to another accommodation guys, from Seminyak to somewhere dito sa Bali guys. So guys, are you ready with si Mama and si Papa and Jax? What are we waiting for? Happy watching!
So guys, we're just checking out now. So this is the bathroom. So it's sort of like open air, like over here. So I did use the shower, the bathtub once. The shower there's nice. It had a lot of showers because it's using the pool. There's other stuff there. So we have a bunch of sort of bags in here. We don't have suitcases this time because they're back in Melbourne. There's no point buying them. So again, just in case, so I didn't show it the first time, this is the bedroom. Swimming pool. So I did get him about 3 times. There's this laying down area here as well. This is sort of outdoor kitchen area. So we've gone through a lot of bottles of water there. I don't think we cooked once. So there's stuff there. There's our fruit and stuff in there. So we've got chismis in the background. So this is the other bathroom, so it's similar to the one we had. You've got your thing there, you've got outdoor shower, sort of fully open there at the top there. Actually it's got a bit more covering for the shower. You've got the window there as well. The wardrobe in here is in this room. And here's the room here, so the TV's a bit close to the bed. Mini bagger here. So this is our laneway that we walk down every day. So yeah, this is a street we always walk up. That's the quickest way to get to the Seminyak, so it's only 1 block away. So yeah, this is the sort of like an alleyway here that goes down to the reception area. So we'll jump in the grab car soon and head to our next destination.
Okay guys, so now we are heading to another accommodation dito sa Bali, Indonesia. So now we are heading to Ubud. So Ubud is a must travel destination when in Bali, and for good reason. It is a mix of panoramic countryside, cultural beacons, and modern attractions. Okay guys, so from Seminyak na madaming boutique, restaurant, dito naman tayo sa Ubud guys. Makikita nyo naman guys, provincial na provincial ang vibes dito. Located in central Bali amongst rolling hillsides and rice paddies, the town is the perfect holiday destination for anyone looking for a charming getaway. Okay guys, so from Seminyak dun sa last nating accommodation, we will travel more than 1 hour and 38 minutes pa sa ating next accommodation guys, dito sa Ubud. So the name of the town is derived from Ubud, which is the Balinese word for medicine. This way key because in previous centuries, the town was a major source of medical herbs and plants. Over the years, however, the town has become a major tourist attractions in Bali. Whether you are a nature enthusiast enthusiast fascinated by forests or love to wander leisurely through the galleries, Ubud is something for you, just about everyone. Make sure you visit the Goa Gajah, also known as the Elephant Cave, which is one of the most fascinating archaeological sites in Bali. So ganito yung vibes dito sa Bali guys. Papunta na kami sa may Ubud. So sa aming accommodation, very trees, very province talaga guys, everywhere, and then you need to hire a motorbike guys. Of course guys, the common transportation dito sa Bali ay motorbike. You need to have your own international driver's license. Okay guys, so dito sa Ubud, madami tayong pupuntahan na attraction. We've been here before 2017. So now, malapit na tayo sa ating accommodation dito sa boutique villa dito sa Ubud guys.
So this is the lobby area. There's a swimming pool down there, or the communal swimming pool anyway. We'll go for a walk to find lunch. ¿Cómo está?
Okay guys, so maaga pa tayo para mag-check-in. Ayan yung labas ng aming hotel boutique guys. So sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, dito sa Ubud, madaming rice paddies dito. So pupunta tayo sa taas guys. So mamimili muna tayo ng mga water and small necessities na ating kailangan. So madaming mga sasakyan ngayon at madaming mga motorbike.
I guess that's our closest convenience store. So I think just up here, I think some cafes around here where the ACO shop is. Yeah. Here's sort of like directed traffic. So guys, this is sort of like the bottom end of Ubud. That's actually a big window mart too. So we're back from doing lunch and shopping at Indo Market. So we're back here to Saraki Boutique Village. InDaynaMo. Yes, see you in 2 years when the video gets edited. Ow. Oh, thank you. Oh, sorry. Oh, we got free duck. Bitik. Somewhere I was earlier. So, each room. So both rooms are pretty much the same. They're just mirrored images of each other. So you've got your king size bed there. You've got a TV, mini bar. Bedside tables, there's a wardrobe there. So you have a freestanding shower, bathtub, toilet, big vanity as well, so you can put all our stuff up there. So you have a room on one side's exactly the same. There's an InDaynaMo there, so I'll take the eyes away from her. But it looks like you fit like 8 people here or something. Like there's seating there, then there's another seat there, then you got seating there. So yeah, you got a big dining table here for 4 people. When you got 2 seats here, so that there is probably the parents' room. So we've got stuff here. So it looks like we probably can't really store much of a minibar. So probably stay away from using the fridge too much. There's kettle here. There's a lot of tea and coffee out there as well. There's a big sink. So you've got a big wooden table. And here, here's the outdoor shower. Simple. Where's the outdoor shower here? Yeah, look, comes out there. So step in. So here you have a pool there with the fountain there coming out. We have many ducks there for some reason. ¿Cómo está, ducks? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. So there's rice paddies here. They're the same, aren't they? Rooms are the same, but just mirrored differently. They got the same things in each.
Okay guys, so ito yung aming mga dalahin after we've been stay few days in Seminyak. So now this is our si Mama, si Papa, Jax and I's things. So now, yes guys, may kita nyo naman dito. Nandito kami sa my kitchen. Tapos, ito yung kitchen namin. Tapos, meron kaming pool villa. So, sa amin yan privately. So, we got a 2-bedroom guys. So, may kita nyo yung vibes dito. Nasa harapan namin yung mga rice paddies. Meron kami mga trees dyan, banana leaves, guys. So, very nature dito sa Ubud guys. Ganito yung mga type na mga accommodation dito.
There are more villas there.
Okay guys, so after natin maibaba ang ating mga gamit, ngayon ay palabas na tayo sa ating accommodation. Pupunta naman tayo sa main street ng Ubud, dito sa Bali pa rin.
Outside waiting for Mama.
Yeah, Mama now is scared. Ayun na.
Oh, another one.
Waiting for you. Oh no. Ayun na.
Oh, right here.
Maybe I will touch Mama's hair.
Oh, it's still more here too.
Ayun na.
Oh. Oh, and even here too. They're saying hello to the stores. Oh, I think they're stealing the tributes.
So, that's it guys. That's our road trip from Seminyak to Ubud. So, if you've been in Bali or you will planning to go to Bali guys, this is a very familiar area. So, Seminyak, from Seminyak we stayed there for about more than 7 days and 6 nights. So, yes, so Seminyak is a different vibes also. So, Seminyak, there's a lot of restaurants, there's a lot of malls around, and then busy as well. There's a lot, some of the beaches you can also do in Seminyak. So many luxurious hotels, accommodations guys. So this is the time that we are heading to another second leg of our Bali, Indonesia 2024 vacation. Dito holiday, dito sa Bali, Indonesia with si Mama and si Papa. Nakita niyo naman guys. So from Seminyak, we are heading to a countryside of Bali, Indonesia guys. So from Seminyak to Bali, it took us more than 1 hour and 35 or 45 minutes of driving. So yes, we do also get a Grab here dito sa Bali. So very convenient. Just download the apps, Grab, Gojek guys, everywhere. Madaming transportation dito sa Bali, Indonesia. So yes guys, so after few days in Seminyak, so we are now in Ubud. Nakita nyo naman guys. So from Seminyak is one of the most travel destination of tourists. If you are first timer in Bali guys, I prefer you to go to Seminyak first before you heading to Ubud. So Ubud, we will stay here for a few days here guys, because this is si Mama and si Papa's first time in Ubud, and this is not our first time in Ubud guys. Jax and I have been here 2017 way back before. So yes, so we've been here 2017 and we are bringing si Mama and si Papa to Ubud from different countryside. So Ubud is another different area or place dito sa Bali. So nakita niyo naman, like lot of rice paddies, very panoramic, very cultural dito guys. Yes, and we are heading to another accommodation, and after our villa from Seminyak, you see also the 2-bedroom with private pool villa. Dito sa Ubud naman, same, but we are facing at the rice paddies at the back. So yes, nag-harvest na sila, so nagtaas na yung mga tubig sa likod. There's a lot of ducks at the back. We have a decent size of pool here. Nakita nyo kanina sa ating quick tour. We have 2 private bedroom. So the one of the bedroom there also included the toilet and bath, and then meron na rin TV. It's very fancy because this boutique village na aming accommodation, and nakita nyo naman guys, they only have a 1-bedroom with pool villa, and another one, if you're a big group, you will get the 2-bedroom with private pool villa na nakita nyo earlier sa ating video. So anyway, highway, nakita nyo, because we are early, so we need to get out, and then we heading to the main to the street. So nakita niya, very traffic jam talaga dito sa Ubud. Hindi siya ganito before, way back 2017, kasi mga motorbike lang talaga. Ngayon pati mga private vehicle, and then mga minibus, mini shuttle, nandito na din. So yes guys, nakita niyo naman, more upcoming videos dito sa ating province vibes dito sa Ubud guys. And yes, dahil first time namin, naglakad kami kanina, kita niyo naman yung convenience store dito sa Bali, dito sa malapit sa aming accommodation guys. So we will stay here for few days. We are not far away, like 25 minutes, pero kasi traffic, super traffic guys. Ewan ko kung ano nangyari after 7 years ago dito sa Indonesia. So yes guys, siguro dami talagang turista na ngayon guys, kasi very cheap lang talaga dito. Very affordable nyo po kapag magka-plan kayo dito sa Bali. So guys, ayun na nga, this is the end of our video for today, our road trip from Seminyak to Ubud. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today, plus you had fun for today's video guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting our video, and mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy our video for today, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah!